guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you so much for stopping back by. I hope you watch this video and subscribe, like the video and comment down below. Today, well, in this video, I'm not going to be doing this look specifically. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup look, or rather my go-to makeup look. It's very quick, it's very easy, it's very simple. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, share the video if you like. Let us get into the video. Okay, so since I'm doing a everyday makeup look, or like my go-to makeup look, so I'm just gonna keep things very simple. Oh my gosh, I'm going to prime my face first, and I'm going to be using this Essence Prime Studio Glow Boosting Primer. I like this primer because it's very like hydrating, so especially now that it's like cold and skin is not naturally like dewy anymore. And I just like to go in with this primer, and I'm just going to use a brush to apply it. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in with my my Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser Primer, just to blur out my pores, because I currently have pores that are enlarged, so I just want to minimize those right here on my T-zone. And then right here. Okay. Right, and now I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So because this is more of like a what do you call this, natural, not even like a natural, but like a everyday makeup glam, I'm not going to use any how do you call this, eyeshadow. I'm not going to use any eyeshadow, because obviously when you're in a hurry and you know you've got places to be and you don't have time to glam your face up, you just wanna get up and go. So I'm going to use my foundation, my flat foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend it all over my face. Also, this is not to say that I wear makeup every day. It just means that on days where I'm not wearing like colorful eyeshadows and I'm doing the most with my eyeshadow and I just want something quick and simple, this is what I usually do. This is the look I usually go for, and this is how I go about it. So and I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender just to get rid of this the harsh lines. Well, there aren't any, but just to make my foundation look more flawless. Alright, so I'm just gonna Right, so now I'm just gonna highlight my face using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory, and then just gonna now I'm just gonna blend that in with my beauty blender. Alright, now that I'm done with highlighting my face, I'm just going to set that concealer with my LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Banana Yellow. I'm just quickly going to put this in the lid right here. Woo, chill. That is messy. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to apply that, obviously. Okay, and now I'm just going to bronze up my face, and I'm just going to use my Scarlet Hill Glow Contour and Glow palette. I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna go in with a contour brush. I'm just going to basically bronze up my face a little bit. See, I don't want anything hectic because this is a natural everyday kind of look. And you know what, my skin is actually starting to break out now, and I honestly don't know what is happening, but my skin is just going through the most right now. And it's not even to say that like I wear makeup every day. No, I don't. And yeah, so I'm just like really stressed out about that, because I mean, I like nice looking glowing skin, but I still have to contour. Yeah, now I have to contour mine. And I'm just gonna use the same shade here. Okay, so guys, so some footage got lost, but all I did after dusting my setting powder off was I just put some highlight on my face, and I used the Scarlet Hill palette, and I went in with this shade right here to highlight my face. I just highlighted the highest point of my face, and now I'm about to do my lips. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Chocolate. Yeah, in the shade Chocolate. Okay, and now I am going to go. Oh, chill. What am I doing? I'm just going to go in with my Scarlet Hill lipstick in the shade Next to Nada. And this is how it looks. that's about it. So I could leave it matte. I actually like it matte, but yeah, if I wanted like a glossy look, I was gonna go in with my Essence Plumping Nudes lip gloss, but I think I like it matte. Today we're doing matte for the first time in forever. What's left is lashes. So I'm gonna go in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara, the purple one, and I'm just going to put some mascara. This is how I've been looking. So I could either go in with some lashes, false lashes, or I could leave it like this, but I like me a good lash, so I'll see you guys when I have my lashes on. Okay guys, so I'm back with my lashes. I love a dramatic lash, whether I'm going for a natural look, whether I'm going for an exaggerated look, I will always have lashes on, and they're never going to be like natural looking. So now I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, and this is how it looks. Right, so this is the final look, you guys. So let me just go get my hair done, and I'll come back with an outro for you guys. This is the final look, you guys. It's very simple. It was very quick. This is like a go-to makeup look. I literally love this look because I don't have to try so hard and I still look good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay, so we've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to tell the rest, your peoples, your friends and their friends, to subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. It's free, so please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!